Hello everyone, we are Team Git Happen presenting our project audio based pre accident detection system for smart vehicle under the theme of Smart Vehicle of Smart India Hackathon. Our goal is to make the vehicle proactive, detecting danger before a collision happens through intelligent audio or visual analysis. India records thousands of road accidents every year, often because drivers react too late. Existing system activates after an accident. Our solution listens and observes the surrounding to predict and warn about danger in advance. The system continuously monitors the environment using microphone and camera. Audio input helps detect horns, skid or impact sound, while camera vision identify pedestrian or obstacle. Together they triggers context specific voice alert to guide the driver instantly. So basically this is our website, and after choosing smart detection, it will generate an audio file to upload for analysis. Let's hear this sound. What is this? Basically the sound contains of skidding, uh, breaking glass and etc. This will detect a accident normal or warning glass. So after uploading the audio file, it will show that the accident is 99%. Here we demonstrate the audio based model. At first normal traffic sound are detected low risk. When honking or skidding increases, the system raise a medium alert. Also impact like sound, the system immediately issues a danger ahead voice warning to the driver. So beyond sound, our system also identifies the number and position of people near the vehicle. If one person stands straight in front, the system gives a directional voice command such as person detected, turn left or turn right. If multiple persons are detected, it commands stop or slow down, preventing crowd related collision. This alert continues for up to 5 to 10 seconds, ensuring the driver gets sufficient response time. The system is also speed adaptive. If the vehicle is running 100 kilometers per hour or above and a person or obstacle is detected, the AI immediately issues high priority audio alert. Person detected ahead, slow down immediately. This helps driver reduce speed before or can collision occurs. So in this heat map view, we will
Person is standing in front of the car. Person is standing in front of the car. Person is standing in front of the car. Person.
this will detect the person and shows a voice command. All detected risk events are stored in the cloud. The system generates a heat map of high risk zone, highlights interactions and area where the frequent. So basically I want to conclude myself. This contribute to the Indian version of Atmanirbhar Bharat in the smart vehicle domain. Thank you for watching our demonstration of the audio based pre accident detection system.